Not bad.
Yeah. It's because they're lit up.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks a lot, photo bomber.
What?
Oh, are you done? Okay.
Rod and Marlene Rinston and grandson Bo are wishing Merry Christmas to their friends and neighbors and wishing more family members were with them this year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Santa and the Bremerton Yacht Club.
There he is.
Merry Christmas to Austin, Adam, and Griffin. I can see that you have done real good this year, and your family is proud of all three of you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Bremerton Yacht Club and Santa.
It's literally
Merry
going to their
Christmas,
tree.
Lucas and Regan Hart. Thank you for taking pictures with me at your daddy's Christmas party. Be good, and I'll see you next year.
Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Merry Christmas to the Simmons family, all their friends, and especially Tiernan and Marley.
That's just Santa.
He said hi to you.
Pretty cool. Right?
Hi, Santa.
That is really
Merry
cool.
Christmas, Joey, Garrett,
Hi,
and
Santa.
Jackson.
The balloon?
I had to spell it.
That was great. What did you think of that, Regan? You like that? That's pretty cool, huh?
Hi, Santa.
Oh, wow.
Go. I love Santa.
Say bye, Santa.
Merry first Christmas to Gabby, your mommy and daddy.
Hi, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Whoa, check out that
There's
one.
boats.
RYC? Or, oh, BYC. Bremerton Yacht Club.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, where's Santa?
Did you hear Santa talking to you?
Santa, hi.
They put a lot of lights on there.
Yeah.
Little boy.
But you know, it helps too that they're LED lights now.
Say hi, little boy.
They're a lot brighter than they used to be.
I like the one behind the Bremerton Yacht Club.
Hi, Santa.
That's really
Yeah.
cool. It's like a neon blue. Oh, look at that one. That was a choo-choo
There's
train.
Santa.
Oh, yeah. That
No,
is just like
Santa.
cool.
What's that? Oh, it's
Want me to hold the light while you take their picture?
Oh, I'm just recording it.
I'm not Santa, but I can help them out. I can be like a little elf.
That's not Santa.
That was Santa, huh?
No. No. No.
I have a while to go before I have the Santa Claus bid.
It's not Santa.
Look at him. Look at him, everyone. It's what?
It's not Santa.
It's not?
Yeah. It's not.
Not Santa. Well,
He's like,
well, you're right. He's gone by already, but.
He
Yeah.
put his hand on my cheek and he's like,